the whole of them.
Etty, Sister Petra.
True man, I step up no
So they can't talk about say, They can't talk about me fi go downstairs. I want wicked girl, you know. Me know say she wicked for a long time, you know. You can't imagine the woman put me down a basement and they can't talk about her downstairs. She think me an idiot, you know. Because me know say the rich people them call down the basement. Looking at the basement, wicked girl, me tell mama say the girl they wicked, you know. That's why me come over here. Because see what in there they do. Wicked girl. Let me lotion me say. I never know say one girl could have wicked so to in twin sister. I feel good they call laugh and say, I am glad you like it. Me not like it. Me not like it and me not like you neither. You have all of the richness in your house and make we there suffer in the village. They can't kill your teeth. They can't tell me about say me no fi grudge nobody fi what they have. After me no grudge you like me no like you. You must have think say me they go make because of you. Because of you me no turn out to nothing good. After me in the village all long I wait for you fi help we. You down here you are your man. They do movie and you don't even call we. You're a wicked girl. Me no like you. You see me come here favor hang pan here. You think me an idiot? Me hot in the village too. You think you alone don't come out of the village and look good. Put on me powder. You're wicked to me and your ma. Me tell mama every day, me tell mama say you are wicked and mama never believe me. So now me come and me prove it. Yes man, me dey show you say village people act too. No because we no have nothing and we poor. You think me stupid? Everybody thinks say me fool. Me no fool. Because me want you fi take me in good, make me dress so. Everybody in the village look good now. And when they know have nothing, they ever have pretty hairstyle and look good. Take me come fling me in a basement and they come kill teeth boy. Ha ha ha! I am glad you like it. Me don't like it. You want wicked girl. And me tell mama for a long time, you know, say the girl they just are wicked, you know. And mama never believe me. And you see, me come here come prove it for myself. Yes man, I go and give you the shock of your life. Yes man, you think you say you don't hurt me. To you in a movie. You come and come hype up for me. And me they can't go in your room right now, see if you're in there. If you're not in there, me and your room. You want wicked look girl and me don't like your style. Could this a whole place here? You find this a whole bed here. With this a whole sheet. And then me a same thing here you make me come from the village come to. Village people now want this a whole place here. I in your room you fi put me and you sleep in here so. I want you take things for girl. Me rich race you know. And that you fi know. Me only dey go and cute because me no ready for you yet. But you think me no come here and hot for you? And that you fi know because you don't know why in my heart you see me here. You see I go along like say you want me for afraid for you.
Oh, you're here, honey.
Oh yes, honey. My husband. I can see you out here having fun.
Yeah.
Tell you what, I need something strong to drink as well.
Why it takes so long to come back? Where you go and meet her?
My husband. That girl is pure trouble. You know that?
What do you mean?
I didn't know that wicked girl was like that.
Your sister?
I'm telling you. I am so shocked.
I don't understand.
Her behavior is so bad. Oh my God. She embarrassed me in the house. You know that?
Like, me not understand. Like, oh.
She's saying that why we give her that room, we should have let she sleep in our bed.
What?
She said she wants to sleep in the bed with us, with the lots of teddy bear.
That don't sound right, honey.
And she's saying that we live in lavish and having she and mama up in the village suffering. Can you imagine?
I don't think that's the see what me that tell you. If it's that good idea to make she come here.
Oh my God. I don't know why I don't listen to you. I feel so ashamed.
That is jealousy, you know, honey.
Huh. Me sister! Me sister! Watcha! Out a door in there with her husband. Kuya! Watcha to no galang like I say. She love him. All wicked girl. A pity her man no know say she a man in a the village. Me go lie down. My God! Why? My God! I saw me sister bed serve. Me that tell you say that girl they wicked enough. And the old bed what she give me in the basement tough enough. Me not even know me don't lie down upon that. How are they going here so? How are this here? My God, what a wicked girl this is. Eh? What a wicked girl, come on. That girl here was wicked, you know. Me say me no like a girl from she liquor, you know. Me know say the girl a one criminal. You can't imagine me and mama in the village, they dead for hungry. Eh? And he a whole heap of money. She and her husband are not give. If you none of the money. Watch her now, man. Wicked girl. Eh? 1 hour. If she have anything else. Eh? Could him out of teddy bear the girl up on him bed and we know none in the village. Eh? Me just not trust her, you know. Her heart is very black to what I see. I just don't trust that girl. I don't know what she's capable of doing, yo.
She was like that before?
I don't know her like that. Both of us grew up very well. Our mother trained us very well, oh. And she just come and she's looking around and she's complaining over everything. I don't even know what she's in there doing. Oh, girl, they watch her and too, no. The girl on like I say she in love. Me God, look here. What the girl up on the bedside table? And the first me see one of this. Could the wicked girl have him and his husband picture in it and know say he have a man with his husband? Alright, me will take out for them picture. When me can't put in now. A girl there you see, watch her. Me God, look here man. Kuya man. Kuya the girl well rich. Me sell all this in the village. Cash fig wall. Lord God. Me can't go use it, you know, me just have to go thief them. They thief every blasted thing when me can't thief. And that girl they too wicked. Watch her out her door. Eh? With my brother-in-law, you can't imagine that wicked girl they don't even come back and come tell me say, eh? Come tell me say she find him. That girl, me say me nah nothing to do with her. If she thinks say me come down here fi come make friend with her, and mash me come fi mash up her married life. Because Jeremiah have to know say she our next man. Eh? That's why you no come back in the village. Because you know say your man are up there and me we come find you in the city fi come chat pa you. Eh? You go on like you better than me and you attack me. You know attack me, watch you in the old clothes too. Eh? I didn't tell her to come to my house. I didn't invite her here. And now she comes, she's having problem with everything and saying that we down there living lavish while she and mama is in the village suffering. So everybody tell me, you want to tell me that when everybody is big, they go and make life on their own and stop ready for what people belongs to other people.
So when she going away back?
I don't know, but she will not stay at my house for very long. I am tired of her. Oh. You can imagine she sit down and she, what she's thinking in there. My husband, I feel so ashamed and feel so bad for everything.
I don't like that.
Give me some of this, oh.
I don't like that only because it's your sister, right? You and her are supposed to get along.
But that's what I thought, that she was a good girl, oh. I think that she was coming here and she was glad to see me. She don't even look like she's happy to see me. The way she was behaving at the gates.
Like how she was behaving?
She was saying that, oh, I put on big gates and all of these things. And say you.
So that means it's some form of a jealousy.
Yes! Her heart is just dirty. She don't think that I should ever make it in life, you know. She just sit down one side and complaining over what I am doing. And she don't know how hard I work.
Alright, maybe it's the movie, you know. Maybe it's the movie she see and she get jealous and feel like we don't need rich. We are not rich.
We are not rich, oh. We are not rich, but everybody just see it different. If she's saying that, can you imagine what everybody else is thinking? But who the hell care about what people think? Huh? Who the hell care about what people think? I don't care what people want to think about us, oh. Eh? When we were hungry, where were they? Eh? They want to stay at their house and think all kind of thing and say all kind of thing about us. Do I look like I care?
Honey, just calm down.
I am upset, oh, to know that she's my family, my blood relative, and she's thinking that way. Eh? I am very upset. She's just pure evil, and when I see her now, I just feel like I want to strangle her. You know that? You know, I mean, they come out there right now and come meet me brother-in-law. Look upon you. Ugly girl. If you ever say nothing to me what me don't like, you see, you will see what me do with you. You will see what me do with you. Me dirty up in the dirt. Eh? Me remember when you used to chat bad, and since you come here, you dey chat like you African. You're not African. Chat you apart to make everybody know say a Jamaica you come from. You come here, they come go on like you're nicey. And the man you are impressed. I don't like these things, oh. I don't like these things. I don't like these things.
And what you're saying to me right now, I'm very shocked.
I am shocked myself.
Shocked me. I don't know even how to operate around her anymore.
She's a wicked witch. That's what she is. Anyhow you want to operate, this is your house. You don't let you feel uncomfortable. You don't let you feel uncomfortable. You hear what I'm saying? I don't know what kind of destruction I take into my house. You know you can't trust some of these family members. Oh, they just sit down one side and plan for your life. You know that. Many of these family members that you see going around, they don't wish for us well. You know that. They don't wish for us well, and they don't know when we are suffering.
That's why I keep out of everybody reach. If you notice, I don't have any contact with nobody at all. Because
I don't blame you, oh.
I know that bad mind will come
Dirty
in.
heart, oh.
It will come in.
Hey,
that's why you stay out of everybody reach.
I don't blame you. I don't blame you.
And you see, you go as far as make she come.
And I didn't want her
and
here.
And she come and she showing us a different side. I don't meet her all now.
She don't even, but listen, she don't even rest here for a little while before she start to complain and start to be a very
because
bad.
She cannot hold it. She have to show her true colors, you know. Remember, this is a Christian home, you know. So any demon come here, it will reveal.
Yes, it have to reveal. It have to confess. Oh, it have to show its dirty color.
She have to start show her colors from early.
I just feel like I would just slap her. I feel like I would just strangle her because I don't like to see wicked people. She's my sister, but she's very evil. Eh? She don't know when we down here suffering. I am upset, my husband. Don't tell me to calm, oh.
Calm down.
You tell me, you said that you don't think it's a good idea. And I just because she says she's coming. I don't even know that she was going. She just come hot because she know what she have planned inside of her.
Just calm down.
To come and she want to try to wreck my house. Because she cannot wreck my house. Because my house is covered under the blood of Jesus Christ of Nazareth. And she come down here, come and talk about it. She want her bed to sleep with my husband. She want to sleep with you.
Sleep with me?
She want to sleep in the bed with you, oh.
When did she say that?
She said it to me in there. She said,
no, that's sister, very rude.
She said, sister, am I going to sleep on the bed over? She's a wicked witch. Can you imagine what she's planning in her heart? That's what she says, oh.
Honey, that's very rude.
That's how those.
That is very disrespectful.
Disrespectful, oh.
Yes, she should never say that. I won't tolerate that.
I am glad you are picking up for me, oh. Because I I was worried to tell you I think you would pick up for her. Look pon her too! Look pon her too! Eh? Got on like I say she up there they kin her teeth and happy. Well, me a news for you, you know, girl. I come here to mash up your married life. You think me no know say Jeremiah had the money? Eh? You come go like I say you are somebody and you love him. Me and you, yeah. Because me now go back in the village poor, you know. Me have to get your man. I don't trust that girl, you know. I don't know what she's capable of doing.
She's coming. She's coming.
You give me some of this, oh. Hi, Mr. Jeremiah.
Hi, Janelle. How are you?
Hi, Janelle. Me sister, me hungry, you know. Go give me something to eat.
Go and prepare something for her. Honey, just go and prepare something for her. She said she hungry.
I'm going to look after something for you to eat, oh. I saw me about my husband.
Okay, honey. Hi, Janelle.
Hi, Mr. Jeremiah.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you, sir. Me sister. Me love you, Yana. Stop the wrong, so man.
You can have a seat, you know.
Thank you, sir. Thank you. Thank you.
So how was your trip?
Lord God. Brother, he long you see, sir. He long so till me they tell you. Me never know say all cow they up here, so. And when me come, me see cow all in the way.
Yeah.
Yes, sir. Then, sir, everything alright, sir?
Yeah, man, everything good. I want to come in the village, you know, but you, me kind of busy with work and so.
I saw me see, sir. Sir, me see you and me sister put out one heap a movie. That's why me come down here, you know.
Really?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Me can't give me some of the drink now.
No, you cannot do that.
So why you dey galang so far? Why you dey galang so far, sir? So me know your sister now.
Yes, but you cannot drink this.
So why you dey galang so far? Me sister gone in the house, you know. You know, say me have sitting to tell you, that's why me come down here.
Another thing where me not like, right? You come to a Christian home.
Yes,
You're
sir.
supposed to dress appropriate. I don't like this type of dress code.
So what wrong with what me have on? What did this say? What did this say?
I don't like this type of dress code. It's too revealing.
Which part of me they reveal, sir?
Your neck and stuff like that. You need to dress appropriate, cover up your body. Because my sister tell me that you're a Christian.
Tell me no Christian, sir. Every Christian how they dress, so. So what wrong with what me dress I put on?
Well, we don't operate like that. I'm only telling you something, right?
Yeah, they make me feel uncomfortable, you know, sir. And I know that make me come down here, you know. Me come down here for me and your talk.
Well, you can go ahead, but what I am trying to say, right? I don't like the type of dress code that you're wearing for a Christian.
Well, sir, me comfortably night. So what me feel do? So me come from the village, me feel look like a old broke down car.
Okay, ma'am, okay.
Sir, me have sitting where me want to say to you, you know. You know, say me watch your movie, them.
You cannot do that, miss. You cannot do
so
that.
So why you dey galang so far? Why you dey galang so far? You fear attack because you want Josiah fear we out here. You can't tell me can't touch it because this look good. So that's why me they look funny and touchy. Yeah. And that's why me touch you.
Okay.
So you not galang so far me for, sir?
I'm just feeling uncomfortable.
Uncomfortable for what? Why you dey feel uncomfortable so far? At time me not trouble you. Just fi touch the listen thing.
I'm going inside.
Where you going? Sit down here, son. Me want chat to you before Josiah come out here. Sit down and relax and give me some.
No, you cannot drink this, miss. Janelle?
I am listening, oh.
Janelle?
Yes, sir.
You're supposed to behave respectfully, right?
So me now behave respectfully,
you cannot
sir.
take the drink that I am drinking.
So what wrong with that, sir?
It's not appropriate. If you want a drink, I can call
I don't want no other drink. It's your one me did want drink, sir. It's your one me did want drink, sir.
Alright, make we get to the point.
Yes,
you have something to say to me.
Then know that you fi say you get upset for me, sir. Where they go along so for me for, sir? Remember say you just meet me, no? So why you go like me I stress you out? when me sister they stress you out, I saw you blow. So me this come out up there and I blow like you want blow me down. That go along so man. They go along so calm me fine. Eh?
You can talk what you want to talk.
You don't know say my sister no easy. You know that? You don't know say when you can't find my sister, a man she have for you. You didn't know all of that.
Where this a come from?
What you mean where this a come from?
What type of man? My wife not giving me any trouble. What are you talking
Shut your
about?
mouth and tap a confident in her. What you mean?
I
Me
think
her
it's
sister.
the devil send you here, you know.
What you mean by
It's
the
the devil send you here to mash up your life, you know.
Stop say that
It's
no
the
man.
devil send you here.
Why you getting so upset, pa me, sir? Take time and mind you make Josiah here, you know, car.
So what you talking about my wife?
Yo, me not like this thing here, you know. If me didn't know, so you turn me on, but I share the secret with you, you know. Me come here to tell you something and I decide to come be about say me come fi mash up. Which part me they come mash up your life? Somebody come fi come tell you something where your wife they do behind your back and you they come talk about a devil sending.
When my wife go is on a business trip, right?
Me say I'm on a business trip. You're right fi say business trip. Let me tell you the truth now, so you can't sit down and listen. Everybody else should have sit down and listen for they love school and you are galang like you no love it. Why you not sit down and let me tell you?
I trust my wife.
Trust which wife? Your wife a one devil. Your wife a man in the village and that me I try tell you come and get upset.
What are you saying to me?
Yes sir, and that me they tell you. When your wife left say she dey go on business trip or something, she have one man in the village. Me not remember why name. Yes sir, one brown man was drive one
Are you
car.
telling the truth?
Me I tell you
Are
the
you
truth
just
sir.
making up something?
So me nah make up sitting sir. She and the man sit down in the car sir. And people say and come tell me sir. And when me go me see for me the one self sir. The two of them sit down in the car sir and they talk and they laugh in the village. And when she come up there the man she give the money she not give me and mama none. I tell me they
So
tell you
all
sir.
of them money they will me gear and she say somebody pick her and something is the next man she giving the money.
You know that me they try tell you sir and then you come and go on like you know want me talk to you. When you fi shut up your mouth and listen what me have to say, just open up your ears, make me tell you. And that me they tell you, the money why you gearing us, me say, I know me and mama get it. Our man she have a drive one.
So that means that nobody didn't rob any money from her then.
And lie she they tell sir. And that me they tell you say you fi believe me when me chat. Believe me, come in and tell you no lie sir. Sir, what you fi do you know? Run around to your house and make me Tanya. Make me contact with you.
So why should I make you come here?
Because you want somebody to take care of you, sir. So that's why.
Janelle, I don't believe you, you know.
Oh, you mean say you don't believe me?
I don't believe you.
You stand there. Me say the whole of we know. I tell me they tell you. Everybody in the village knows that she there with the man with the Prado. And when she go up there, she cock up in the vehicle and then chat and then laugh. And then she not come look for me and mama. I tell me they tell you and you
so the money even when me give your mother, she not give your mother it?
Give mama what? Mama up there they dead for hungry and that you feel know.
Just, Janelle, I'm going inside right now to her. I'm going inside, man.
I don't want the problem, you know, sir. Me don't want the problem. You know, say me no help me when know, you know. Me no say nothing to that man there, you know. Me no say nothing to that man there.
Ethic, Sister Petra.
True man, I step up, no love is the that. For your friends who the love is sit and check on me cash. When the black Benz pull up, no for purpose to crash. So me stay far and pre them as I as the top. True man, I step up, no love is the that. For your friends who the love is sit and check on me cash. When the black Benz pull up, no for purpose to crash. So me stay far and pre them as I as the top.
True me by the black Benz now I just screw face. Them no remember when me used to link June off it toothpaste. First page free them because them have two face. Mama used to struggle back then in all my youth days. Now she a travel more than plane and suitcase. Pagans a try to keep up but them a lose weight. The way me think up me now fi bend fi tie me shoes late. Try to stop me now me I tell you say you're too late.
True man, I step up, no love is the that. For your friends who the love is sit and check on me cash. When the black Benz pull up, no for purpose to crash.